The Shark IZ540H Pro Cordless Vacuum revolutionizes cleaning with its intelligent CleanSense IQ technology that detects hidden dirt and automatically boosts power for enhanced dirt pickup. With its powerful suction, this ultra-lightweight cordless vacuum effectively deep cleans both floors and carpets, making it a versatile cleaning tool for any household. The innovative PowerFins Plus Brushroll combines two brushroll technologies to manage both fine dust and larger debris, ensuring thorough and efficient cleaning. Designed with pet owners in mind, the self-cleaning brush roll efficiently picks up pet hair without the hassle of hair wrap, making it ideal for homes with furry friends. The vacuum features a removable battery that provides up to 40 minutes of runtime, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without interruption. Equipped with HEPA filtration and an anti-allergen complete seal, the Shark IZ540H traps over 99.9% of dust and allergens, promoting cleaner air quality in your home.